must have used your notebook to take notes, but this is the most useful notebook online. Hey there, this is Darsh, a tech enthusiast, and today we will be talking about NotebookLM, a tool which helps students generate mind maps, videos, and podcasts of their notes. Let's start. I'll be start by creating a notebook. We may search sources from online. I will be searching it. Okay, I have chose convection as my topic. It is loading the sources. Here we have got our sources: convection, heat transfer, convection heat transfer from Wikipedia. So I will be adding them all, and then it will be generating a untitled notebook. Let's wait. Okay, here we have got the notebook. The sources example, it tells the some brief summary. Now I may generate an audio summary, a video overview, mind map, report. Okay, I will be generating mind map. It is generating mind map based on 9 sources. Now I'll be generating quiz. It's also generating quiz here. It will take time. Here I have my mind map. Okay, very easy. Yeah. Convection. Good mind map. Really. Okay, discuss what these sources say about convection. It tells the brief summary of what convection is and everything about it. Let's see if our video is ready. Okay, our notebook is being video quiz is being generated. Quiz has been generated. Like author, like we may give anything. It's not correct. It shows the correct answer according to the source. It's like basically a short notebook or a short teacher for students who like studying online. Students come to this website, create notebooks, get their sources or get their sources online, and then they have the options to create videos, uh, audios, mind maps, podcast, everything. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching the video.